Are you a metal master? Can you bring your visions to life in bare steel? We're looking for a fabricator who can join our team building dream cars for customers all over the world. If you can fabricate custom panels with a Pullmax, English wheel, planishing hammer, shrinker stretcher, sheet metal brake, and hammer and shot bag. If you can remove and install original and reproduction floors, quarter panels, mini tubs, roll cages, and other body parts and gap them to perfection. If you use MIG, TIG, and resistant spot welders to create, then we'd like to talk to you. Click the link at v8speedshop.com/jobs to apply today and learn more of the benefits package we offer. Melt some metal with the V8 Speed team.